Looking for the best cordless miter saws that combine power, precision, and portability? Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, today's lineup features the best cordless miter saws for woodworking and the best cordless miter saws for the money. Stay tuned as we break down top models that deliver clean cuts without the hassle of cords. Don't miss out on the perfect tool to upgrade your workshop and boost your productivity. Number 1. DEWALT DCS361B Cordless Miter Saw. The DEWALT DCS361B 20V Max 7 to a quarter-inch cordless sliding miter saw is engineered for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking precise, portable cutting power on the job site. This compact, lightweight saw weighs just 30 pounds, making it easy to transport and store without compromising durability or performance. Equipped with a powerful 20V brushless motor, the DCS361B delivers up to 183 cuts of 2x4 pine or 275 cuts of 3 to a quarter-inch baseboard on a single battery charge, ensuring long-lasting productivity. Its integrated cut line crosscut positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication, enhancing cutting accuracy and visibility. Perfect for woodworking and framing tasks. The saw features a capacity to cut 3 5/8 inch nested crown molding and 3.5 inch base molding vertically, while the adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate offers 11 positive stops for quick, precise angle adjustments. An oversized bevel scale and cam lock miter handle further simplify bevel and miter angle settings, boosting efficiency. Part of the versatile DEWALT 20V Max system, this cordless miter saw is compatible with all 20V Max batteries and chargers. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the DCS361B combines power, precision, and portability to tackle a wide range of cutting applications with confidence. Number 2. Makita XSL06Z Cordless Miter Saw. The Makita XSL06Z Cordless Miter Saw sets a new standard for precision, power, and portability in woodworking tools. Powered by dual 18V LXD lithium-ion batteries, sold separately, this 36V brushless motor saw delivers up to 4,400 RPM for fast, smooth, and efficient cuts without the hassle of cords. Its innovative BL brushless motor technology ensures longer runtime, cooler operation, and extended tool life by eliminating carbon brushes. Designed with Makita's exclusive automatic speed change technology, the XSL06Z automatically adjusts cutting speed and torque based on the load, ensuring optimum performance across a variety of materials. The dual steel rail sliding system offers smooth, accurate sliding action, while the compact footprint allows the saw to sit flush against walls, saving valuable workspace. This 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw boasts impressive cutting capacity. Vertical cuts up to 5.25 inches and crosscuts of 4 by 12 at 90 degrees, making it perfect for crown molding, framing, and other woodworking tasks. Additional features include a built-in laser for precise line of cut indication, electric brake for safety, front bevel lock for quick adjustments, and improved dust collection with an included bag. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, the Makita XSL06Z is a durable, high-performance tool designed for professionals and serious DIYers seeking cordless freedom without compromise. Number 3. RYOBI Cordless Miter Saw. The RYOBI 18V 1+7.25 inches sliding compound miter saw is the perfect cordless solution for professionals and DIYers alike who need precision, power, and portability. Powered by an 18V motor delivering up to 3,600 RPM, this saw effortlessly handles tough cuts and detailed woodworking tasks. Its 40-tooth carbide tipped blade ensures clean, fast crosscuts up to a best-in-class nominal 2x10 inch capacity, making it ideal for a wide range of wood projects. Designed for convenience, this lightweight saw features integrated carry handles for easy transport and a built-in dust collection system with a dust bag to keep your workspace clean. Adjustable bevels and precise miter detents including stops at common crown molding angles, provide accuracy and versatility for every cut. Part of the expansive RYOBI 1 Plus system, this saw runs on any 18V1 Plus battery, sharing compatibility with over 260 tools. Backed by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, it's a reliable, portable miter saw built to boost your productivity anywhere, anytime. Battery and charger sold separately. Number 4. Milwaukee Cordless Miter Saw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 10-inch cordless miter saw is a powerhouse designed for precision, portability, and durability. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery with advanced brushless technology, it delivers up to 400 cuts per charge, making it perfect for both heavy-duty job sites and woodworking projects. This sliding compound miter saw boasts a 10-inch stainless steel blade with 80 teeth, ensuring clean, smooth cuts every time. Equipped with a cam locking miter system, an adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 detent locations, and dual bevel with 9 detents, it provides versatile cutting angles for all your needs. The shadow cut line indicator helps you quickly line up cuts with accuracy, while the tall sliding and removable fences support large baseboards and crown molding against the fence. Weighing 45 pounds and featuring top and side carrying handles, this saw offers easy portability without compromising stability. Included are a carbide tipped blade, dust bag, blade wrench, and clamp, making it a complete package for your woodworking or construction tasks. Backed by a 5-year warranty, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Miter Saw is a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN CMCS714M1 Cordless Miter Saw. The CRAFTSMAN CMCS714M1 Cordless Miter Saw is a powerhouse designed for precision, portability, and performance. Equipped with a robust 3,800 RPM brushless motor, this 7¼ sliding miter saw effortlessly cuts through 2x-dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboards, and trim. Its sliding blade design offers an impressive crosscut capacity of up to 8 inches at 90 degrees and 5½ inches at 45 degrees, while the saw easily handles nested crown molding up to 3 5/8 inches vertically. Designed with accuracy in mind, the integrated LED cut line positioning system eliminates shadows, ensuring clean, precise cuts every time. With 9 casted miter detent stops, angle adjustments are quick and accurate, perfect for any woodworking or trim project. The lightweight build and side carry handles enhance portability, making it ideal for both job sites and workshops. Powered by a 20V Max 4.0, a lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 585 cuts on a single charge, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this saw combines durability with cutting-edge technology for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more top tool reviews. Drop a comment. What's your favorite cordless miter saw? Check the description for buying links and deals on the best cordless miter saws for woodworking and for the money. See you in the next video.